Hello and welcome back to Brin and my O-Week series of videos sharing some tips and tricks for your new life at ANU. My name is Brin. Welcome to my channel. Here on Brin I talk about life and study at the Australian National University in Canberra, obviously in Australia, and what your life would be like if you studied here as well. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get 100% participation marks in all of your ANU courses. I think that there are four great things that you can do to ensure that your participation marks are excellent for all of your classes. This works for both online and in-person students. Number one is to do your readings. Now, I know that this seems like a pretty obvious thing to do, I suppose, but sometimes readings can be overwhelming. It can be really difficult to do all of them. So I have a few tips and tricks there. One is maybe just pick one article and read it in depth. Two, read the abstract, the introduction and the conclusion of the articles, and then you get a sort of broad idea of what's going on in the articles. Or three, just quickly skim the articles. If you're a fast reader, that works as well. And also maybe form a reading group with some people from your course, and you can sort of delegate the readings so that you all have a good idea of what's going on. If you've read the readings and attended or watched the lecture on Echo 360, you will have a good idea of what's going on that week, and you will be able to hopefully have some insightful contributions to the class discussion. Now that's clearly like a very obvious thing to be doing. So I will also suggest some other things that tutors are looking for. So I will also suggest some other things that tutors are looking for when they're assessing participation marks. So number one is engaging the class, asking questions. Asking clarifying questions about topics that you don't fully understand is a great way to ensure that you get participation marks. So showing that you're engaging with the material, and even if you don't understand the material, but you've gone ahead and asked the teacher, what does this mean? How does this relate to this? Asking broad questions like that is a great way to get participation marks. You can also respond to other people's comments in your classes. If someone brings something up that you agree with, you can say that you agree. If you disagree, explain why. Communicating in a respectful way, always, obviously, but chatting through your ideas in class is a great way to get good participation marks. I understand that it can be a bit nerve-wracking to speak up in class, especially if you feel like a bit of imposter syndrome maybe, but speaking up in your small tutorial groups is a great way to build your confidence. Across the term, you're going to meet with these people every single week, and eventually, hopefully, you'll become friends with a lot of them. So there's nothing to be scared of. Everyone's in the same boat as you, and it's always good just to have a go. Finally, it's important to note that tutors are always excited when people try and participate. Even if you don't have exactly the answer that they're looking for, tutoring's hard, right? Talking in front of a whole group of people, and a lot of the tutors are of a similar age to us as students. It's pretty nerve-wracking for them too. So when no one engages with them, that's pretty disheartening. Just having someone engage, having someone make a comment, ask a question, say their opinion on something. I think that tutors, or at least all of my tutors, have always been super grateful when someone just speaks up, because it can be so awkward if no one says anything. So my advice is, just have a go, say something, ask a question, give your opinion, and you will get great marks in your tutorials if you continue that discussion every single week and just, trying to have some input. Saying that you think someone's idea is good, that's also another good thing to do. But yeah, I hope this helps you guys get some good tutorial marks. I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos this week. Bye.